Here we go. 7 Aleman is going to do his rerun right here. Here we go. Will he be able to beat the time of Mark Vasquez right here? 7 Aleman. Here we go. Look at that. Seven Aleman looking good right here. Home stretch now for 7 Aleman. Here we go. On to the home stretch. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 6. Here we go. Lorenzo Contreras on the other side of the track. And Win Habelosa right here. So there we go. This is the Expert Open C category, and we are on the home stretch right here. There we go. Home stretch for all of the races. Maraming salamat po for joining us this afternoon. Yep, it's going to rain. It's already kind of drizzling right here. Attorney Win on the other side of the track. There we go. Lorenzo Contreras now on to the finish line. And Win seems to be, he is a little bit faster right here. Here we go. Now navigating into the chicanes and onto that one right there. Here we go. Stop box 44.836. Win Havelosa 44.138 for Attorney Win. Fastest time is by Mark Vasquez. Here we go. Crucial one right here. So both drivers looking good right here. So tingnan po natin. There we go. Win Habelosa looking good. And of course, there we go. Lorenzo Contreras now on the home stretch. Now una dito si Attorney Win Habelosa now going into this one right here and on to the finish line. Here we go. Zigzagging their way. 42.128. Win failed to cross that finish line right there. Here we go. Luis Ascona. He holds the fastest a while ago. So tingnan natin. Allen Forchua on the other side of the track. Luis Ascona coming in. There we go. Allen Forchua. Wow. 39. 42.99. Wow. 41. Here we go. This is Allen Ford Chua up against Luis Ascona right here. Tingnan natin. There we go. Luis Ascona. And tingnan natin. Yeah, we still have a lot of runs for Mark Vasquez. And I think Glenn Gallo still has a run right here. Tingnan natin. There we go. Luis Ascona, will he be able to further elevate this one right here? 40.299. Will he improve in this run right here? There we go. 40.554. And Allen Forchua, 41.375.